Hi, this is Patrick Dumais from Inaxsys Security Systems. Today, we're introducing our new kits that just came in. So we're going to go through them individually, but here they are. We have one more coming, but they're going to be another couple of weeks before we get them. It's actually a single kit with black cameras. To start with, if you have any more questions after this video, contact your sales department or go to our website at inaxsys.com or register to our YouTube channel, which is the best way to get updates on what's new at Inaxsys. This is the first kit, ChromaView. We already did the NVR on the channel and the camera itself. So these are already done. They will be linked at the bottom of this page, so you can access them directly. So basically, this kit here comes with an 8-port PoE switch instead of a 16, but it's an 8-port for this one. It has a 2 terabyte hard drive in it, as well as 6 ChromaView cameras. So basically, with this, you can do human recognition, car detection, or motion detection. This is what you can do with this as far as advanced AI features. To find this on the website, you find the spec sheets on the website, you go to Products, Inaxsys Video Recorders, Plug and Play Kits, select LegendNX. LegendNX, that's going to be the ChromaView one, which will be this one here. So again, you have all the same information as before with which camera it comes with. It says everything it has to say. You go to product, you go to spec sheet. Exact same thing. Tells you which cameras come with it. All the specs of the cameras are all linked into one machine, into one spec sheet. Yeah, everything is there. You go down, down, down. You even have the accessories available for the camera listed directly in that spec sheet, which is quite handy sometimes. You don't have to go search left and right to find the information. So everything is in there. So in one bundle, and how to install them, as well as specs for the camera and the NVR, everything's there. We have here the regular kits, so the 6 cameras and the 12 cameras. That come with a 4 megapixel regular turret camera with just infrared lighting for outside. This camera is capable of car and human detection as well as motion detection, so those 2 kits will do that. So you'll find those kits into our plug and play area. So these are the ones we're looking at. So we have the 12 cameras here and the 6 camera here. So let's select the 12 just for the fun. So again, all the information you need is here, including which camera is included in the kit, as well as which NVR is included with it. By the way, the NVR and the cameras were reviewed before in another video, so you can point to that. There's going to be a link down below again to find the information on those. So if you go to support and documentation here, you'll select the spec sheet. So basically, again, it's the same drawing. You go down, same NVR exactly as the ChromaView, but except it's a different camera on this one here. Again, all the accessories available, how to assemble them, and the specs of the machine. Inaxsys is the manufacturer and distributor of LegendNX products. For more questions, please contact your sales department. Go to our website, inaxsys.com, or subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest news. Thank you.